Hello friends and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel iTech World, your ultimate destination of creating your account on prestigious writing websites to make money online. In today's video, I will provide you the answers of latest English MCQs test on WriteDom writing website. If you are looking to create your account on this website of international standard, you have come to the right place. Here we have compiled a tried true of English test answers to help you breathe through the assessment process with confidence. Our channel is dedicated to providing comprehensive solutions of those tricky MCQs that often leave test takers scratching their heads. With a collection of meticulously crafted videos, we ensure that you have all the tools you need to succeed. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of English test together. Don't forget to check out our previously uploaded videos so you can create your account quite easily. Uh, just before solving the MCQs, let me take a short review of this website of international standard. RIDOM is really a great website to work on. Working here on this platform, you can earn thousands of dollars quite easily. Okay, just have a look here. So the sign up process is quite easy. First, you have to fill up the application form with your basic credentials. After that, you have to write an essay comprising 500 to 550 words, and then you have to pass an MCQ based English test. Okay, so lastly, you have to upload your credentials with documents for security purposes and for verification. After 2 or 3 days of time, you will be informed of your result. So let's start taking the test. I will provide you the answers of all the MCQs based test. Okay. Here we have got 15 MCQs based questions. Keep in mind, you have to attempt this test with 100% accuracy to get through. Okay. Uh, let's come to the very first question. I wish I didn't have to get up early every morning. This one would be the most accurate choice. Didn't have to. Okay, you can read out all the options for more clarity. Anyhow, this one is the best choice. Didn't have to. You can read out once again. I wish I didn't have to get up early every morning. Now, come to question number 2. I was so tired last night that I fell asleep on the sofa. Last option is the most accurate choice. So, okay, I was so tired last night that I fell asleep on the sofa. Okay, now come to question number 3. The film sounded interesting, but it turned out to be really boring. Option C is the most accurate and appropriate choice. Turned out. This is the best option. Okay, now come to question number 4. Paris is famous for the Eiffel Tower. Read out the rest of the option for more clarity. Fascinated by, impressed by, excited about. First one is the most accurate choice. Okay, Paris is famous for the Eiffel Tower. Okay, now come to question number 5. Hi Jenny, how is it going? This is also very important question. Okay, hi Jenny, how is it going? This one is the most appropriate choice. Option D is the best choice here. Okay, now come to question number 6. Jenny graduated from Cambridge University with a degree in law. Graduated. This one seems to be the best choice. Okay, you can read out the rest of options as well. But in my opinion, this one is the best choice. Graduated. Read out once again. Jenny graduated from Cambridge University with a degree in law. Now, come to question number 7. I don't smoke now, but I used to smoke 20 a day. This one is the most accurate choice. Used to. Option B is the correct option. Okay, read it once again. I don't smoke now, but I used to smoke 20 a day. Okay, keep in mind you have to attempt this test with 100% accuracy. So watch this video carefully. Now come to question number 8. My doctor told me I should eat less meat. This one would be the most appropriate and accurate choice. Told. Option D is the best option. Okay. Now come to question number 9. If I had left earlier, I wouldn't have been late for work. This is also a very important question. Okay. Just have a look once again. If I had left earlier, I wouldn't have been late for work. Option B is the most suitable choice. Okay, come to question number 10. I'm going to ask my bank for a loan to redecorate the kitchen. First one is the most appropriate choice. Okay, option A is the best option, best choice here. Okay, now come to question number 11. One argument in favor of not smoking is that you save a lot of money. In favor of. This phrase seems to be the best choice here. So the correct option for this question is option B. One argument in favor of not smoking is that you save a lot of money. Now come to question number 12. Sorry, I didn't quite catch what you said. Option A is the most accurate choice. Okay, this one is the best choice here. Catch. Sorry, I didn't quite catch what you said. Now, come to question number 13. Peter invited me to go to the theater with him next week. Invited would be the most appropriate choice here. Okay. Now, come to question number 14. I have never been to Scotland. This one is the best choice. So the correct option is C. I have never been to Scotland. Just have a look once again. This one is the best choice. Now come to question number 15. This time next week I will be sitting on the beach on holiday. This one is the most appropriate and correct choice. Okay. That was today's test. Watch this video carefully so you can prepare yourself for the test. Keep in mind 100% accuracy is required to get through this test. So try to watch all of my previous videos comprising English test MCQs with solution. After watching those videos carefully, you can pass this test with 100% guarantee. So here I have provided some important essay topics. Okay, you can note down these topics for getting through in this section as well. Okay, you have to write an essay of 500 to 550 words in just 30 minutes of time. Okay, the first topic is what are the pros and cons of globalization. All these topics are very important. Okay, if you had a choice, would you rather have power or glory? The third topic is should video games be considered a sport? This is also very important. Okay. The fourth one is what are the advantages and disadvantages of social controls? And the fifth one is can people have perfect bodies and eat fast food? Sixth one is why family is important to the socialization process. And the last one is what human characteristics are highly prized in any society. Try to prepare all of these topics so you can pass your essay writing test as well. That's it for today. See you again in any good video. Wish you all the best.